Hey folks, it's Jim Brasse from ExcelSense Technologies. We're excited to share that we will be exhibiting at ExpoMin 2025. It takes place next week, April 22nd to 25th in Santiago, Chile. It is the largest mining trade show in Latin America and is truly a hub of innovation, technology, and discussions around the future of mining. On display, we'll have our TUFI 1700, which is the world's most advanced self-cleaning industrial camera. It can effectively self-clean against a wide range of contaminants, including abrasive dust, mud, grease, even crystallizing contaminants like salt, phosphates, and potash. And it is completely maintenance-free for the life of the camera. No hoses, no tanks, just crystal clear vision. We will also be showcasing our Sensor Shield 1600 platform, which allows you to take a sensor of your choice, be it a camera, a laser sensor, maybe a thermal imager, and enclose that behind our Sensor Shield platform, which then converts it into a fully maintenance-free self-cleaning optical system. Our patented technology is already being used extensively in the mining industry around the globe, integrated as critical components of autonomous equipment, remote teleoperated equipment, and on the processing side for remote monitoring and inspections as well. You really do have to see it for yourself, so if you'll be at ExpoMin in Chile, please come see us. We'll be in the International Pavilion at booth 2K32E, or connect with us on LinkedIn. See you in Santiago.